Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace VW Jetta battery, only ways. Begin by ensuring safety gear is on and the car is off. Then open the hood and locate the battery. Disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive, and remove any securing brackets. Lift the battery straight out using a firm grip, inspect the tray for corrosion, and clean the area before installing the new battery securely and reconnecting terminals. In this video, I will explain how to replace VW Jetta battery, only way. Prepare by laying out tools, verifying the correct battery group size, and ensuring the replacement meets CCA requirements. Disconnect cables carefully, starting with the negative, and set them aside to avoid accidental contact. Remove hold-down hardware and lift the battery out using an appropriate strap or two hands. Clean the tray and terminals, then place the new battery. Secure it and reconnect cables in reverse order. In this video, I will help with replacing VW Jetta battery, only way. After disconnecting the negative terminal, loosen the positive and remove any clamps or tie-downs holding the battery. Lift the battery straight upward to avoid tipping and spilling acid and place it on a stable surface. Inspect the battery tray and cable ends, clean contacts with a terminal brush, and replace any damaged parts. Finally, install the new battery, tighten clamps, and reconnect terminals starting with positive, then negative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.